Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform search on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up the Pinterest application. Select the search button right next to home icon. Tap on the search bar. Then type in whatever you are looking for and perform your search. And this is how you can perform search on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.